Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best USC decorations available on the market. The USC Trojans flag 3x5 large banner by College Flags and Banners Company.
This flag is not just a piece of decor, it's a symbol of team pride and quality craftsmanship. Let's break down why this should be your next purchase if you're a USC Trojans fan.
First off, the dimensions.
This flag measures 3 feet by 5 feet, making it perfect for displaying proudly.
Whether you're at home, tailgating, or even using it as a wall decoration.
It's made of 100% nylon with quadruple-stitched fly ends, ensuring durability even during rough weather conditions. The material is 150 denier thickness, imported for top-notch quality, and it includes 2 metal grommets for easy attachment to any flagpole. Whether you're in the heart of USC territory or anywhere around the world, this flag lets you showcase your Trojan spirit and style. Now, what I love about this flag is the attention to detail.
The team logos are viewable on both sides, and though it's officially licensed,
it's not just a basic fan flag, it's university, college, and school approved, meeting all the standards for authenticity. The maroon color is vibrant and eye-catching, making it a standout piece in any collection of USC memorabilia. It's perfect for gifting too, whether it's for a fellow fan or yourself. While it's currently unavailable on Amazon, keep an eye out because items like these tend to restock quickly, especially as we approach the next season.
In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your USC fan cave or simply want to show your support in a bold way, the USC Trojans flag 3x5 large banner is a must-have. Its durable construction, vibrant design, and official licensing make it a standout among USC decorations.
Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.